got a backlash. Luckily, I have A.G. Bassing's videos on how to get backlashes out. Oh wait, that's me. That was really stupid. We're out here on Lake Lyman. We're just fishing. It's a beautiful lake. Absolutely no fish in here, but it's a beautiful lake. God, that cast. So smooth. That cast so smooth. Alright, we're out here on Lake Lyman. And my friend Jared, he's fishing with a brown jig. He's using my H2O Express bait caster, right-handed retrieve. And it's basically just fishing. That's the lake. We're fishing off of one of the loading docks. There's a turtle out there. Right there. Right there.